If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Don't find a fault, find a remedy. Whether you believe you can do a thing or not, you are right. There are no big problems. There are just a lot of little problems. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Whether you think that you can, or that you can't, you are usually right.